Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ivan Ngure. I'm an artist and I also do tutorials on how you can create jewelry. So today we're going to be creating cufflinks and we are going to be using some Kenyan vintage coins. So here is my collection of mostly 5 cents and 10 cents Kenyan coins. So today I'm going to be using this pair of 5 cents Kenyan coins. So these two are already polished, but also you can polish them further to get rid of those black parts. But for me, it's okay because this is just for demo. So guys, once you've polished them, just make sure you've completely wiped them off the polishing liquid, so that it doesn't interfere with the glue that we'll be using, and that glue is sparkle epoxy resin. So guys, even before we start, we have to select the cufflinks, the cufflink color that we're going to be using. So as you can see, we have golden, we have silver, we have chrome, which is a little bit darker. It's like a grayish, and we have a vintagey color, which is almost brownish, as you can see. Okay, so for this, since the coins are in brass, the closest cufflink color we are going to be using is golden. So first thing you do is check whether the cufflink mechanism is working right. The plate is completely attached, so that one is good. And we are also going to check this other one, and that one also works well. So guys, the first thing you do is you sand this part. We're just going to roughen it up just a little bit so that the glue sticks better. And we are going to repeat the same with that part. And remember at all times to work on a clean surface. Okay. So let's prepare the glue that we're going to be using. Pour a small amount of the resin. And then pour also a small amount of the hardener, which is equal to the amount that you poured of your resin. Once you've done that, we are then going to mix this thoroughly so that one part mixes into the other, so that we have a very strong bond. So once you've done that, identify the surface that you want to be the face, and that's the face of our cufflink, and that's the tail. So you're going to place your cufflinks with the tail facing up, place them together, and then you're going to identify the place that your cufflink is going to sit on. So in this case, mine will sit on that shield that is at the center, like so. So scoop as much glue as you can and apply it on that surface. And then you're going to come with your cufflink and press it on the exact point that you want it to be. Then we are going to repeat the same with this other part. Remember, when you are attaching your cufflinks, this is a pair, so they have to be identical. So just see if your cufflink is facing this side, your other cufflink should also face in the same direction, so that you have identical parts. Once you've done with that, you're going to set them aside for around 4 hours to completely set. So your finished product should look like this. As you can see at the back, we have the clear epoxy, which is really firm. Don't be afraid to test it out by giving it a nudge, see whether it comes off. This one doesn't come off. So, and also giving it that cufflink test so that once you've sold it to the client or once you're wearing it yourself, you know it cannot fall off. And also go ahead and inspect the other piece and ensure that everything is in the right order. Guys, once you're done with that, just cut a small piece of card, block a hole in there, and then to ensure that you present your cufflinks in the best possible way. And that's how, guys, you create cufflinks using vintage coins. If you loved this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Remember, I've done a video on how you can polish your coins. I'll leave a link on the video right at the end of this one and even in the description down below. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.